The ones with the most reviews wins, and it is the best form of free advertising. Many agents shy away from asking for reviews. Chasing clients and begging for reviews is not exactly something we want to spend time doing, is it? With the help of Real Leads Finder, you can entirely automate this process. The system harnesses the high open rate of text messaging to gather customer feedback and generate reviews for you more consistently. As soon as a transaction is completed and the contact is tagged as closed, for instance, the automation kicks in and sends out a series of review requests. The first request is sent to their mobile phone right away, followed by another request via email. The automation can be set to repeat until your client leaves a review for you. At that point, the automation stops.